OK，咁就到 DSE Biology Elective for E4 嘅 Chapter Two Applications in Biotechnology。OK，咁其實咧 biotechnology 佢之後剩低嘅 concept 其實唔係好多嘅啫，就係關於 GM 啦，即係 genetically modified 嘅呢個 term 啦，同埋 gene therapy in treating genetic disease and also cloning 呢三個大嘅 concept，咁就係biotechnology applications in biotechnology 嘅三個 remaining concepts。OK，咁我哋首先會講 genetically modified organisms 啦，之後會跟住個順序啦，gene therapy、cloning 咁講落去啦。OK，首先咩叫 genetically modified organisms 咧？咁 for 細菌、微生物，咁咧我哋有 genetically modified bacteria，又或者有 GM virus 啦，有 transgenic plants，即係指其實係用一種已經 transform 咗個 bacteria，即係 有 recombinant plasmid 嘅 bacteria 去感染一隻植物啦，然之後一種我哋需要嘅一種感染，然之後用當中可能涉及到 gene 根啦，即係一種打基因落去一個 bacteria 嘅一種槍啊，大家其實可以上網 check 下，都幾得意嘅。然之後有 transgenic animals 啦，即係我哋可以用 micro injection，即係 inject 一啲viral vector 落去一隻動物嗰度啦，去改變佢嘅genetic composition of a cell 啦，嗰啲啦。佢係同 animal cloning 係唔同嘅，因為其實佢係 for modify 一個 living 嘅一個 animal instead of clone 呢個 animal， 即係其實佢係諗住醫嗰個或者係想要佢嘅後代係有啲咁嘅 characteristic， 想 inherit 佢呢個嘅，咁佢可能就要用 GM 啦。但係 cloning 嘅話又係第二個 concept 咯。咁 for genetically modified microorganisms 啦。OK，咁當我哋 produce 呢個 GM microorganisms 嗰陣時候咧，其實新嘅 gene 係可以 introduced into bacterium using a bacteriophage。bacteriophage 係一種會將自己嘅係一種 virus 啦，係會將自己嘅 genetic content 打入去一啲 bacteria 啦。咁其實係啦 ，which is a virus that infects bacteria. It injects its DNA into the bacterium. OK，咁其實 the viral DNA 即係嗰個 bacteriophage 嘅 DNA 啦，其實係 incorporated into the bacterial chromosome。咩 incorporated？即係自己將自己嘅 DNA base sequence 已經 incorporate 咗，已經填咗落去個 bacteria 嘅染色體嘅 chromosome 嗰度啦。OK，咁然之後，因為 bacteria 係 famous for its fast division、cell division 噶嘛，咁佢可以一直分裂，咁 produce 嘅 bacteria 咧就會有好多種我哋想要嘅嗰種 DNA 同埋嗰種 protein 啦。如果我哋係想要，因為其實我哋最終目標係想透過 transcription、translation 之後再到 protein synthesis。因為我哋有新嘅 DNA base sequence， 而嗰紮 base sequence 有好多，因為 bacteria 會一直 reproduce， 一直分裂。咁之後我哋就會有 get 到好多呢種 viral DNA 啦，因為我哋將嗰個 viral DNA contains the gene of interest 啦，打咗入去個 bacteria 嗰度。咁然之後咧，佢就透過 translation 或者 transcription 同埋 transcription 啦，就再 protein synthesis 就 produce 咗啲 protein 係我哋想要嘅。OK， 咁譬如話 insulin 啊嗰啲咯。OK， 到 genetically modified plants。咁咧，其實我哋係要 ensure 每一個細胞 of 嗰個呢個基因改造嘅一個植物係。produce 係一定要攞到嗰個新嘅基因啦。咁首先呢個基因呢個 gene 咧係必須要 first introduced into a plant cell， 即係由一個植物嘅細胞先，我哋將呢個 gene 放咗入去先，然之後呢個細胞就慢慢咧就生成一個植物。咁每一個細胞因為透過呢個細胞分裂出嚟噶嘛，咁就會透過 mitotic cell division 啦，咁就會 grow into a new plant 啦。OK。咁呢個係 agrobacterium method 啦。首先第一步就係將 DNA fragment。OK， 咁我哋係想要有啲咁嘅 toxin gene 嘅。OK， 我哋要嘅呢個種。OK， 咁咧點解會有 toxin producing？ 即係點解我哋有 toxin 咧？可能係講即係唔想有啲昆蟲食嗰個植物啦，咁我哋就要 GM genetically modify 嗰個 plants， 咁所以個 plants 就係 insect proof 啦，即係唔會有任何昆蟲去食嗰隻植物嘅。咁個 crops 嘅 yield 啊，或者係個 production of crops 咧，就係會 remain at high level 咯，因為唔會俾蟲患而影響到佢哋嘅 production 啦。咁如果有啲 toxin producing gene 咧，其實我哋係想要嘅，咁我就放咗入去啦。咁其實同之前即係 biotechnology， 我哋 recombinant DNA technology 其實係一模一樣嘅啫。OK， 咁我哋將個 toxin gene，OK， 咁就展開個 plasmid using same restriction enzyme to produce a complementary sticky ends for the toxin gene and the plasmid。OK， after cutting open the plasmid 咧，我哋就將 toxin gene 放咗入去啦。OK， 咁樣咧經過 screening 啦，你可以用blue white substance 嘅嗰個 screening 啦，或者係antibiotic 嘅嗰個 screening 啦。OK， 咁我哋 obtain 咗 plasmid， 翻轉頭，我哋將 plasmid from 嘅 agrobacterium， 即係一個細菌啦。將佢個原封不動嘅 plasmid 攞出嚟，展開佢 ，use a restriction enzyme，same restriction enzyme to cut the plasmid。OK， 咁又有一段 toxin gene 我哋想要嘅，又用 same restriction enzyme to cut the toxin gene from， 因為佢 toxin gene 其實係有成即係嗰一段只不過係 toxin gene 啫嘛，但係佢仲有好長嘅 gene 噶嘛。OK， 佢仲好長嘅 base sequence 嘛，咁我哋淨係想要嗰段。OK， 咁我哋就要用同一個 restriction enzyme 啦，因為呢一度 plasmid 上面嘅缺口咧，同呢度缺口咧應該一樣嘅，佢哋有 sticky end 嘅，即係兩邊嘅 base pairing 咧，其實應該 complementary 嘅。OK， 咁佢哋先可以 join 埋一齊嘛，咁就 prevent 咗佢 self-ligate 咗啦。如果你唔用 same restriction enzyme 嘅話咧，咁佢有機會 self-ligate 啦，咁就有機會就完全係唔會黐埋一齊嘅。OK， 之後我哋就用 DNA ligase 啦，去 join 個 DNA fragment and the plasmid together。OK， 咁就 form the recombinant plasmid 啦。之後我哋就 introduce 呢個 recombinant plasmid into 翻呢個 agrobacterium 入邊啦。OK， 咁然之後我哋有啲 maize cell 啦 on the agar plate。我哋就將呢個細菌感染呢啲 maize cell，OK， 去呢啲 maize cell 咧，就將呢個 toxin gene 就成個就加咗入佢個 genome 成個基因入邊啦，基因組列入邊啦。OK， 之後呢啲 maize cell 咧就會慢慢 develop 去一個成熟嘅一個 plant 啦。OK， 咁個 toxin gene 咧係每一粒 cell 都有啦，依家 OK， 因為佢哋係由呢啲 genetically modify 咗嘅呢個 maize cell， 因為佢將個 toxin gene incorporate 咗到自己 genome 入邊。OK， 咁咧呢個 plant 咧就係 pest resistant 啦，因為呢個 GM maize 嘅呢個 plants 嗱 maize 係一個 plant 嚟嘅。咁呢個 GM maize plant 咧就會 produce bacterial toxin 啦，因為每一個 cell 都有 toxin producing gene 啦。咁呢個 plant 咧就變咗 pest resistant。呢個就係一個 genetically modified 嘅一個 plant 啦。好，咁我哋講下 genetic modified animals。So first, there are 3 ways to do it. Okay, microinjection, virus, and liposome. OK，首講下 micro injection 先。咁其實咧，呢幅圖都幾唔清楚下，唔緊要。嗱，我哋有一段 gene，OK，咁佢係 DNA 嚟嘅。嗱，講咗廢話。咁咧，我就將一個吉嘅或者一個受精嘅一個 ovum 一粒蛋 ，OK，咁咧就揾一個 pipette 啦，就 hold in place 啦。然之後就將一個 needle， 唔係吉嘅，係受咗精嘅嚇。咁受咗精嘅受精卵啦。然之後我將一個 needle for injecting 個 DNA， 個 DNA 咧係 contain 個 gene of interest 嘅。OK， 咁嗱個 DNA contain 個 new gene is injected into the fertilized ova of mice using a very fine needle。嗱呢個 genetically modified animals 嘅 example 係講緊老鼠啊，白老鼠啊。咁然之後我就將呢個 DNA 嘅呢個 containing new gene 咧，就用呢個針頭打咗入去一個受精卵入邊。OK， 之後呢個蛋咧，呢個受精卵咧就會喺一個 agar plate 入邊慢慢 develop 為一個胚胎 embryo。OK， 咁但係呢個 embryo 咧係已經有咗一個已經 contain 每粒 cell 其實應該每一粒 cell 都 contain 咗 DNA，which is 我哋想要which contains 嘅 gene of interest 啦。OK， 咁咧呢啲胚胎咧係會 transfer 到去一個代母入邊啦。OK， 呢啲代母咧就會有implantation of embryos onto the uterine lining 啦，咁然之後就慢慢咧就 growth 啦 development 啦，然之後就生咗啲 BB mice 啦。OK， 但係呢啲 BB mice 係同代母係完全冇關係嘅，因為佢只不過係代母，佢呢個 ovum 咧就唔係代母整出嚟嘅。OK， 唔係代母 produce 出嚟嘅，只不過係代孕啫。OK， 嗱咁 micro injection 其實係有3個 disadvantage 嘅。咁其實你都知啦，其實針頭打入去咧，其實都幾傷嗰個受精卵嘅，所以個 procedure 係會 cause damage 嘅。OK。咁其實個 success rate for the incorporation of new genes into the genome of fertilized egg is low。嗱，你諗下，就咁打落去，唔一定每粒 cell 都會 take up 咗嗰個 DNA content 嘅喎 ，right？ 好啦，咁咧 fertilized egg 嗱，啱頭先我哋見到啦，有三粒蛋，其實有3粒 ovum， 3粒 fertilized egg。咁其實係要一逐粒咁打。OK， 逐粒咁 inject， 咁其實係 very time consuming 嘅。OK，liposome 咧都係幾得意嘅。嗱 liposome 咧就係一個你見到有個 phospholipid bilayer 啦。OK， 咁其實係 mimic 咗一個 cell membrane 嘅。嗱呢一粒嘢完全係人工製造嘅。OK， 佢 mimic 緊一個 cell， 咁個 cell 咧其實係 contain 咗一個 DNA 咧。which is containing 一個 new gene of interest 啦，即係嗰個 gene 即係我哋想要嘅嘢啦。咁咧佢就 mimic 咗 cell membrane 喎。OK， 咁呢班科學家就諗，如果我想將一個 DNA 放入一個 cell 入邊，咁係咪即係代表，係咪可以透過 mimic 佢個 cell membrane 嘅 structure， 咁佢可以直接 fuse 入去咧？嗱，你望下啦。佢 mimic 咗個 phospholipid bilayer， 咁啊咁啱又可以 fuse with cell membrane 喎，因為佢 cell membrane 嘅嗰粒 cell body cell 啦，如果 for example 嘅話嘅 cell membrane 嘅 structure 同佢呢個 cell membrane structure 係一模一樣噶嘛，咁咪 fuse 咗咯。OK， 咁嗰個 DNA 咪入咗個 cell 入邊咯，個 target cell 入邊咯。咁就呢個就係嗰個。liposome 啊，咁咧我哋做 gene therapy。 OK，咁咧我哋就有嗱，咁其實要比較嘅 recombinant DNA technology versus gene therapy 啊。recombinant DNA technology 其實我哋係變緊佢個 plasmid 嘅一個 composition structure。gene therapy 咧係成個 genetic composition 係轉嘅。嗱，你諗下啦 recombinant DNA technology 只不過係將一段 gene 我哋想要嘅 OK 無限放大 OK 我哋要好多，咁啊攞到佢 produce 嘅 protein。但係 gene therapy 咧係將一段有 genetic disease 嘅 which codes for genetic disease 或者係有啲缺陷嘅一個 DNA base sequence 話有 mutation 啊，導致一啲不治之症啊啲咁嘅嘢啦。我哋係將佢改咗佢，完全改咗佢，係將個 base sequence 改咗佢，或者將個 genetic composition 改咗佢。Instead of 原封不動 copy and paste control C control V 將嗰個 target gene 好似 recombinant DNA technology 入邊，將個 target gene 由一個DNA base sequence 放咗入去個 plasmid 入邊，然之後我哋無限放大，完全唔同嘅。呢個只不過 control C control V copy 咗入去啫 and paste， 但係我哋唔係 copy and paste 嗱 gene therapy 唔係 copy and paste， 佢係直接將譬如話 ATCG 呢啲完全轉咗 OK， 有一段 gene 係完全轉咗 OK。 嗱 gene therapy 咧係一個 potential treatment for diseases caused by defective gene， 即係 in other words 啦，如果你 DNA base sequence 入邊有一段嘢 OK 出咗問題，咁你就有機會有 genetic disease 啦 OK， 有好多呢啲嘅喎，係啊。咁然之後 when the genes are introduced in the patient's somatic cell 即係 body cells 啦 only OK， 即係代表我淨係改咗呢個 patient 嘅 body cell 嘅 genetic composition， 我係改唔到佢後代嘅 genetic composition 嘅 OK， 佢後代都有機會 inherit 咗佢嘅呢個 genetic disease 嘅 OK。咁我到 somatic cell gene therapy，OK， 我哋係會將一個 defective gene 用一個正常嘅 gene 去濕咗佢 ，OK substitution supplement。咁咧 a normal gene 即係正常嘅 gene 啦，會被 inserted into 一個媒介中介為 vector， 係一個 harmless virus 或者啱講嘅 liposome。Using recombinant DNA technology， OK， 咁個 vector 咧就將個 gene OK 慢慢由lab 嗰度放咗入去 patient 嘅 body cell 入邊啦。OK， 咁個 gene 咧係會被 express， 因為 eventually 咧每一個 cell 都係會進行protein synthesis 嘅。OK， 咁你個 gene 咧就會被 express 就係指 produce 一個 functional protein。如果有一個 genetic disease 係 produce 唔到 functional protein， 所以導致有一個 genetic disease， 哇，好似講緊廢話咁。但係就係咁嘅 ，OK， 有一啲 genetic disease 係 caused by dysfunctional proteins 嘅 ，OK， 咁我哋要將一段 gene 改做一段 gene， OK， 佢係可以 produce 到 functional proteins 嘅，咁樣，咁佢 express 啊。produce 咗 functional protein 啦 ，inside the patient's body，OK， 咁就會補償咗嗰一段 dysfunctional protein 嘅嗰段 gene。嗱 ，defective gene 仲喺個 patient 嘅身體嗰度，但係因為佢 produce 嘅 protein， 佢 express 咗之後 produce 嘅 protein 係 dysfunctional 噶嘛，係冇任何作用噶嘛。但係如果你 introduce 咗 functional 嘅或者係 normal 嘅 gene， 咁咪 produce 咗 functional 嘅 protein 咯，咁咪即係 compensate 補償咗佢之前 dysfunctional 嘅同埋 defective 嘅 gene dysfunctional protein produced by defective gene 咯。OK， 咁樣 virus 咧，我哋其實通常揾嚟用做 vector 嘅 ，OK，viral vector。但係其實我哋係要通常用一啲咧 virus 係 no negative impact 啫。嗱，如果有 negative impact 就賴嘢啦，因為佢話會 undergo uncontrolled cell division 啊 in humans 啊 或會 cause infection of 嗰個 virus 啦。咁呢個就係拜拜嘅啦。OK，咁我到 in vivo gene therapy 體內嘅 gene therapy。咁咧，其實呢個簡單好多嘅。comparing to ex vivo 體外。OK，咁體內咧係好簡單好多嘅，因為佢直接將一個第一步啦，將一個 normal 嘅 gene放咗入去個 viral vector virus。但係呢個 viral vector 咧，我哋係要將佢個 pathogenetic gene， 即係可以致病嘅一個 gene 啦。因為 virus 佢有機會係 pathogenic 啊嘛，佢係因為佢會有 pathogens。OK， 佢係 be regarded as pathogens。咁有機會佢入邊有 gene 係可以 produce 一啲express 咗之後可以 produce 一啲 protein。OK，which is pathogenic。OK， 可以致病嘅。咁我哋 remove 咗佢因為佢會 harmful effects 啦。咁然之後我哋嘅目的係將一個人治療佢個 genetic disease， 而唔係 cause disease 啊嘛。OK， 咁我哋將佢個 pathogenetic gene remove 咗佢啦。然之後就將一個 viral vector 咧打入佢個 patient 嘅身體入邊啦。OK，咁呢個 viral vector 咧就將呢個 normal 嘅 gene 咧就放咗入去慢慢將佢轉移咗入去嗰個 patient 嘅 body cells。OK， 咁呢個 application 啦。OK， 咁其實咧就係 for 啲長者嘅，因為咧你望下啦，啱嗰個 in vivo gene therapy， 我哋係只不過係打一次啫，打針嘅啫，打一次。OK， 直接將個 viral vector 打入去。OK，injection of anesthetics， 即係麻醉劑啦，係唔需要做手術嘅。體外反而要做手術。你望下啦，我哋要將 cells remove from patient's body。哇！之後咧再做啱嗰啲啦 ，mixed viral vector。OK， 咁呢個又唔同嘅。OK， 呢個就會將呢個 cells 去 grow 咗佢。OK， 然之後再揀一啲已經 contain 咗 normal gene 嘅 cells。然之後再將呢啲 cells， 我哋好 firm 呢個 cells 係 contain 咗 normal gene 嘅，因為我哋有 selection。OK， 即係嗰啲 recombinant DNA technology嗰啲 selection 啦，好煩啊嗰啲。OK， 然之後就將呢啲 firm 咗，佢哋係有 normal gene 嘅，咁然之後再打翻入去 patient 嘅 body。咁樣咧要經過2次喎。老人家體弱多病，梗係唔會做呢個 ex vivo 啦。又要開刀又要攞 cell liver 咁算啦，係咪？咁你點攞 liver？ 梗係要開刀啦，係咪？咁老人家唔可以開刀噶嘛，所以佢就 suitable 啦。係啦 ，new genes will not be wrongly carried 呢個打錯字 to non-target cells， 因為佢係 specific 嘅。OK， 咁個 success rate 咧係高嘅。OK。因為我哋已經 firm 咗嗰個 cell 係 contain 咗個 gene of interest 噶嘛。limitations of 嗰個 gene therapy 咧，如果冇 gene expression 嘅話，咁即係 fail 咗咯。OK，cell death， 我哋唔知出於 unknown reasons， 經過 gene therapy 嘅 cell 咧，有機會存活咗1-2個月就有機會死咗啦。OK， 或者2個禮拜就會死咗嘅。OK， 咁 uncontrolled cell division 又出於唔同原因。viral vector virus uncontrolled cell division 就變咗 tumor 啦。OK， 咁我哋有啲唔想要嘅副作用啦。OK， 就到器官移植。OK， 器官移植咁咧，有機會排斥啦，因為完全會 regard 嗰啲 organ cells 外來嘅 organ cells 為外來物質，因為 foreign substance 或者 foreign things 啦。咁我哋其實可以用 bone marrow 嘅 bone marrow 係唔會排斥嘅。OK， 咁就叫 stem cell therapy 啦。 或者用 gene therapy 用翻 patient 自己嘅細胞。OK， 咁如果 healthy stem cell 係仍然存在喺 patient 嘅 body 入邊咧，我哋係其實可以用佢哋嘅自己嘅 stem cell 嘅。OK，embryonic stem cell，OK， 幾乎萬能。點解？因為有好多啊，同埋佢係可以 proliferate indefinitely， 係 BB 胚胎嘅嗰個幹細胞嚇，係可以分裂得好快嘅，同埋無限咁分裂嘅嚇。咁我可以整咗好多唔同 cell 出嚟，係 OK， 哇，打咗好多 same plant and animal cloning。Cloning plants by tissue culture， 咁我望下咩事啦。OK， 咁其實咧有好多植物咧，或者植物嘅細胞咧係 able to grow and develop into a whole plant if a suitable medium is provided。嗱，你自己睇啦，我唔解釋啦。咁咧，我哋首先啦，將一個 plant tissue 啦 remove 咗佢，然之後消毒。OK， 咁呢個 tissue 咧就會放咗喺一個 sterile 即係無菌嘅狀態。OK，culture medium containing 所有營養係 necessary for development 同埋 growth 嘅。咁然之後呢啲植物細胞咧就係會慢慢做mitotic cell division 啦，去form 一團嘢，佢叫 callus。咁呢個 callus 咧就會嘅嗰啲 cell 我哋會攞嚟去放咗一個，又係放咗一個 culture 入邊，係 containing 一啲 growth hormones 嘅。咁然之後咧，呢個 growth hormones 咧係 promote 個 growth of roots and shoots。咁呢個 cells of callus 咧就會 differentiate into different types of cells and plantlets。plantlets 即係胚芽啦。OK， 就 form 咗啦。OK， 咁然之後再種呢啲芽啦。OK， 咁就 further develop， 咁就成個 plant 出嚟咯。OK， 咁呢個可以自己 cap 圖自己睇。OK， 呢個係啦，呢個係 advantage 嚟嘅，或者 applications。OK， 咁嗰度 Dolly 啦，養咩？OK，cloning animals。嗱，呢個我覺得個人覺得係幾得意嘅。OK， 咁in embryo splitting， 我 split 咗個 embryo，split 咗個胚胎佢。OK， 咁咧嗰個其實胚胎咧，如果你分開佢咧，就算分開幾多個都好，其實每一個 portion 你分開咗，都係會 develop into separate distinctive 嘅 embryos 嘅，同埋佢哋嘅 genetic composition 係一模一樣嘅。咁咧 embryos 嗱呢啲分開咗，從本身一粒 embryo，OK， 一粒，我睇下畫唔畫到先。咦，係啊，畫先啊，未 pen。OK， 一粒嘅 embryo， 我哋將佢斬件譬如話斬一半啦，畫到好衰。咁其實咧，佢又可以 form 咗兩粒嘅 embryo 喎。嗱，呢兩粒又可以 develop into 唔同嘅 individual。OK， 咁樣嘅喎。OK， 好啦，繼續。OK， 咁呢個係一個 flow chart 啦。嗱，有個 embryo， 咁佢有8粒 cell 嘅，我哋就將佢其中3粒 cell 攞出嚟。咁3粒 cell 攞出嚟咧，嗱，你望下佢哋又可以跟 cell division， 又 form 咗1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8粒 cell 喎。嗱，又 form 咗一個 embryo 咯，好得意噶。然之後 呢個 embryo 咧又可以放咗喺個代母入邊 ，OK， 即係又係 implantation 啦，同之前講一模一樣。然之後又生咗，係從佢個呢度出嚟，又生咗個呢個 embryo develop 嘅 clone 咯。哇！而佢哋三個嘅 genetic composition 係一模一樣嘅，因為 from the start 呢三個 embryo 同呢三粒 cell 係完全係 comes from 呢個噶嘛。OK， 咁佢哋三個咧就係成功被 clone 咗啦，係啦。OK， 三個 genetically identical 嘅。嗱 nuclear transfer 咧，其實同頭先 microinjection 其實差唔係好多，但係都差幾多嘅。哇，自相矛盾，唔緊要。嗱 step 文字批嗱，溫書中意睇文字嘅就睇呢版 ，OK， 我都會講嘅。下一版咧就係圖像批 ，OK， 圖像派啊，我哋中文唔係好好 ，OK， 咁mammary gland cell 咁即係 contain 咗一個 full set 嘅 DNA 嘅 content 啦。OK， 咁佢嘅 nucleus 係攞出嚟嘅。其實我覺得就咩 cell 都得。OK， 只要係一個 haploid， 唔係 sorry，diploid 嘅 cell 都可以用。然之後咧一個 ovum，OK 係會 collect 嘅，俾人 collect 嘅。嗱，成個 nucleus remove。即係個 ovum 係吉嘅蛋，佢入邊只不過係有乜都冇嘅，佢只不過得個殼嘅啫。OK， 然之後呢個 nucleus 咧，of 呢個 body cell mammary gland cell 咧，係會整咗入去呢個 ovum 入面嘅。OK， 咁咧呢啲 cell 咧就開始發展。去咗變咗一個 embryo 啦。嗱，點解？嗱，望下啦，一個 egg cell， 佢冇 nucleus， 得翻個殼，但係佢入邊已經有 diploid 嘅東西啦。我畫兩嚿嘢，係代表佢 diploid。咁咧，佢梗係會慢慢 develop 一啲 cell 啦，因為 this is how fertilization works。OK， 咁就變咗一個 embryo 咯。我畫咁多啦。咁然之後咧，呢個 embryo 咧又好似啱咁樣啦。又可以 develop into individuals。哇！我再 split， 然之後又放咗 surrogate sheep 嗰度，即係代母。OK， 咁個 Dolly 咧就產生出嚟啦。OK， 咁有個問題，我可以慢慢諗下。Dolly佢嘅 genetic composition 係 identical to 個代母啊，定係邊隻羊咧？嗱，其實呢度 involve 咗三隻羊嘅喎。首先有個 donor sheep， 有個捐贈 mammary gland cell 嘅 sheep， 第一隻。第二隻 sheep 係捐贈粒蛋出嚟嘅。OK， 係第二隻。第三隻 sheep 係代母，負責陀阿多利嘅。OK， 哇，寫字寫得好樣衰，因為我喺電腦上面寫。OK， 邊個咧？嗱，開估，咁應該就係第一隻 sheep。點解咧？因為佢 mammary gland cell contain 咗 genetic composition。係完全嗱，因為我哋 by method of elimination 先啦，講咗點解其他唔係先。ovum 嘅 donor 即係第二隻羊咩咩，咁佢嘅 donate 咗個 ovum 得翻個殼嘅啫，完全冇 genetic composition 嘅，冇埋 nucleus 添。咁佢嘅 genetic composition 嗱一定排除咗先啦。OK， 咁第三隻點解唔係咧？代母只不過負責陀佢啫嘛，佢俾佢營養 去 growth into 一個一個點樣講咧？一個 individual 噶嘛，由 embryo develop 嘅一個 individual。咁關 genetic composition 咩事咧？係嘛？佢只不過餵佢嘢食啫嘛，喺佢子宮入邊發育長大啫嘛，完全改變唔到佢 genetic composition 嘅。OK， 咁係邊一個咧？咁啊，呢個一啦，因為佢完全佢個 mammary gland cell 係嘅 genetic composition 完全喺晒度喎，係咪？咁係啦，咁我唔需要多講啦。OK，咁佢又 develop 用一個 identical 嘅 genetic composition。OK， 咁就 develop 咗一個 Dolly 出嚟。OK， 咁咧我哋就到圖像派嘅溫書啦。OK， 咁可以 cap 圖，咁其實同頭先嗰個一模一樣嘅。OK， 呢個都係自己 cap 圖嚇，講嚟冇乜用嘅。嗱，咁呢個值得講嘅 success rate 係非常非常低嘅。嗱，你望下啦，277個 trial， 即試咗277次，得29個 embryo 胚胎係產生咗，同埋得其中一個係 successfully develop 成為一個 individual。嗱，你諗下啦，即係好低好低嘅 success rate。OK， 277次得一個 individual 嚇，咁其實係好低 success rate 嘅。同埋咧，克隆咗嘅 animal clones 咧係會好容易就老化啦，唔知點解 unknown reasons。OK， 咁咧。有啲scientist 我覺得呢個係 sign of premature aging。OK， 咁我哋就 get old sooner，shorter lifespans，呢啲都係咁嘅嘢。係咁就完啦。咁咧有咩問題可以喺下低 comment。OK，記得 subscribe 同埋 like 我呢個 video 啦。Thank you。